Welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're diving into the cognitive approach classic research, Loftus and Palmer's research on leading questions and their effect on memory. This study changed how we understand memory and its reliability in the courtroom. Let's break it down. Loftus and Palmer wanted to investigate whether the wording of a question could influence a person's memory of an event. Specifically, they examined how different verbs used in a question could alter participants' estimates of the speed of a car in a crash. The methodology of the study was an experiment conducted in a lab environment, using independent measures design. They split the experiment in two. In the first experiment, 45 students were shown 7 different clips of traffic accidents. After each clip, they were asked to estimate the speed of the vehicles involved. Each participant was asked the same question, except for one key detail. The verb used in the question was changed. The critical question was, about how fast were the cars going when they blank each other? The verbs used included smashed, collided, bumped, hit, and contacted. The independent variable in this experiment was the verb used in the critical question, and the dependent variable was the estimate of speed in miles per hour. The results were surprising. The verb used significantly affected the speed estimates. When participants heard smashed, they gave the highest speed estimate, while contacted resulted in the lowest. This suggested that memory is not a perfect recording, but can be influenced by external information. Loftus and Palmer concluded 2 possible interpretations from Experiment 1. The students' answers could have been influenced by response bias. The change in verb influenced the participants' responses, or altered memory. The verb changed the participants' memory of the accident. They conducted the second experiment to see which of these conclusions was most likely to be correct. In a second experiment, they tested whether leading questions could create false memories. This time, 150 participants watched a short film of a car accident. They were split into 3 groups. One group was asked the speed using the word smashed, another was asked using hit, and the control group wasn't asked about speed at all. A week later, they returned and were asked, "Did you see any broken glass?" even though there was none in the film. Again, the results were striking. Participants in the smashed group were more likely to report seeing broken glass than those in the hit or control groups. This suggests that leading questions don't just influence speed estimates, but can actually distort memory, creating entirely false recollections. Loftus and Palmer concluded from Experiment 2 that the leading question alters the participants' memory of the accident. The leading question is combined with the original memory of the accident, forming a new memory. This is called reconstructive memory. The way we're asked about an event can shape how we remember it. This has huge implications, especially for eyewitness testimony in legal cases. If a witness is asked misleading questions, their memory might become inaccurate, leading to wrongful convictions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more psychology content. See you next time.